Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on the Shark Vertex powered lift-away vacuum cleaner. I've got a really big mess here. We're going to see how it does on carpet, then we're going to try hardwood floors. That did a really good job on this carpet, and it was really fast as far as cleanup. Let's go see how it does on hardwood floors. I thought the Shark Vertex does a really good job on hardwood floors and on carpet. I like that it has that soft roller in front to kind of drag material in. Up here, it's got the on-off switch in the handle, and then you can move this lever according to thick carpet, middle carpet, or hardwood floors. I had it on hardwood floors when I was doing hardwood floors. So this does have lift-away technology. It's a little bit different. Just the base unit lifts away, not the wand. The wand stays with there. You can definitely disconnect the wand, but just this base unit comes apart. When you're all done and you need to take out all the garbage in it, let's just press this button and let's take this over to the trash can. So take it over to your trash can. You're going to open this up. Everything comes out. Now there are some filters here. Once in a while you do have to take these filters out. You're going to rinse these out, let them dry overnight, and then put them back. Also, there is a HEPA filter right here. You're going to access this right here. And it's kind of underneath here a little bit, so it kind of mounts underneath there like that. Helps if you put it on its side. There. Okay, so underneath here, here's what the roller looks like. We've got this roller here. Now you can take this one off. There's a release button here and it just pops off for easy cleaning. Put it back. Put that little gear on the left and snap it into place. Looks like there is a little micro switch down here to let us know what direction it's moving. So this has an 11 amp motor. I like that it has onboard tool storage. We got a crevice tool here. This uses air to run that turbine, and that's what rotates this for like doing furniture or a pet bed to get kind of the hair off. We also have a brush roll indicator. It's going to be green when everything is turning properly. If you get a jam, it's going to turn red. So right now, this is retailing for $342. Price-wise, I've seen this kind of all over the place. I've seen it for about $350. I've seen it for $450. You know, it's kind of an expensive vacuum cleaner, but I do like having this dual clean power fins up here. I do think that helps on hardwood floors especially, but it's got a big opening to kind of let big chunks in. Yeah, I really do like these dual fins like that. Now that micro switch down there underneath that goes back and forth, they don't tell us what that's for. I haven't quite figured that out yet. Now, I don't use the lift-away technology, but this one is different. So just this unit here lifts away, the handle still stays there. You've got to be real careful. With the lift-away technology, I found the tools kind of fall on and off a little bit, and it was kind of tricky getting the handle in and out. Now, it did seem to have, when it was going in carpet, the vacuum cleaner did seem to glide easy going forward, like it was being pulled forward. Pulling it back, it wasn't too hard, but it definitely had some friction that way. But it was kind of easy. Even though this is kind of a heavy vacuum cleaner, it was relatively lightweight. I do think this is one of their older vacuum cleaners. I think right now I've only seen it on Amazon, but I have seen this for quite a while now, and it's usually kind of an expensive one. So I've really been wanting to get it to see what it was all about, actually. So underneath the video, if you could give it a thumbs up, that really helps out my YouTube channel. Be sure to check out my Just a Dad Videos group page on Facebook. This is where I do my free giveaways. So when I'm done with these products, I will give them away. Also, this is where I got my Simple Sip coffee, Just a Dad Dark Roast Simple Sip coffee. It's going to be for sale. It's a dark Brazilian roast, whole bean, K-cup, and ground. And I also started a podcast, Coffee with Dad podcast. This is where I interview different people about their stories with coffee. So check that out. That's on all those platforms that you get. Apple Podcasts, Spotify. It's even on YouTube. I do a video version of it also on YouTube. So again, I really do appreciate everybody's support. Again, if you could, please like and hit the subscribe button. That really helps out my YouTube channel. Thanks so much for watching. I really do appreciate it.